श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री आयुर्वेदाय नमः। श्री मात्रे नमः। श्री विद्यां जगतां धात्रीं सर्गस्थितिलयेश्वरीं नमामि ललितां नित्यां महात्रिपुरसुन्दरीं। श्री मात्रे नमः। In this Krodhinama Samvatsara Sharan Navaratri, Ayurveda Ayatanam is organizing Ayur Lalita, the glory and greatness of Lalita Devi in Ayurveda. Today, in this fourth episode, we'll be looking into the concept by name Tithi Nitya Devatas Aradhana or worship in Ayurveda. Acharya Kashyapa in his Kashyapa Samhita has told to do worship Tithi Devatas, Tithi Nakshatra Devarcha Granthyavekshitajaan Gadan. So, what do you mean by Tithi Devatas? The Tithi Devatas are nothing but Sri Lalita Devi, and the reference is from Sri Vidyopasana. For Pratipat Tithi, the Adhisthana Devata is Kameshwari. For Dvitiya, Bhagamalini. For Tritiya, Nityaklinna. For Chaturthi, Bherunda. For Panchami, Vatnivasini. For Shashti, Mahavajreshwari. For Saptami, it is Shivaduti. For Ashtami, Tvarita Devi. For Navami, Kulasundari. For Dashami, Nitya. For Ekadashi, Neelapataka. For Dwadashi, Vijaya. For Trayodashi, Sarvamangala. For Chaturdashi, Jwala Malini. For Purnima or Amavasya, it is Chitra Devi. So, by worshipping, remembering these Devis on respective Tithi and every day cures all the ill effects and Drishti Dosha or Avekshitajaan Gadana. There are 15 days in between Purnima and Amavasya. Each day, the moon's effulgence, that is Kala, is ruled by a Devi. There are 16. These Kalas are Amruta, Manada, Pusha, Tushti, Pushti, Rati, Dhruti, Shashishini, Chandrika, Kanta, Jyotsna, Shri, Preeti, Angada, Purna and Purnamruta. The 16th Kala is invisible. Each of these Kalas is ruled by a Devi. These are Shodasha Nityasa. Mahatripura Sundari is the Devi Parashakti herself, and hence the Kala ruled by her is not visible to the normal mortals and to this Mamsanetra. These 15 Nityas in the form of the 15 Tithis have two aspects each. Prakashamsha, which rules the day portion of the Tithi, and Vimarshamsha, which rules the night part of the Tithi. At night, they collect the divine nectar, and during the day, they release it. On Purnima or full moon day, all the 15 Nityas are in the moon, and the moon is shining brightly. On the first Tithi after the Purnima, that is Pratipada, one Nitya leaves the moon and goes to the sun, and the moon is reduced slightly in size. This goes on till new moon or Amavasya. After Amavasya, they return one by one on each Tithi, and the moon starts shining again till it's full on the Purnima. When the lost Nitya returns to it, this is called as Shukla Paksha. Kameshwari to Chitra are the Nityas ruling the Krishna Paksha Tithis from Pratipat to Amavasya. In Shukla Paksha, the order of the Nityas is reversed, that is Chitra to Kameshwari. The Nitya of the Ashtami or 8th Tithi, Tvarita, is common and constant to both Pakshas, hence she adorns the crown of Lalita Devi, and the reference is from Brahmanda Purana Antargata Lalita Sahasranama, as it is told Ashtami Chanda Vibhraja Dalika Sthala Shobhita. Thus, doing Namaskara to the Lalita Mahatripura Sundari in the form of Tithi Devatas, starting from Kameshwari to Chitra Nitya Devatas, will conclude today's session. Sarvam Shri Jagadambar Paramastu. Swasti.